Hey guys, let me show you how to send crypto from Revolut to Bybit. So for this video, I want to send ETH, that's Ethereum, from Revolut to Bybit. After you open the Bybit first, go to assets and then go to deposit. Then go to deposit crypto. So now go ahead and search for Ethereum at the top. So just tap on the Ethereum. After you search for Ethereum, so now go ahead and select the Ethereum network. So for me, I'll go this BSC network, is more cheaper, and tap on this copy button. After you copy the address of the Ethereum, now go and open up now the Revolut app. After you open the Revolut app like this, now then tap on crypto tab. After you go to crypto tab at the top right side, then scroll to down and select the crypto you want to send. After you select the crypto you want to send, then tap on the send button. After you tap on the send button, then it will ask you to send to your friends or to send to wallet. Just select the send to wallet. After you select the send to wallet, then paste in the address you copy and specify the amount. After that, just tap on this withdraw button. From there, the crypto will be sent into your Bybit account. And that's it, guys. Be sure to like and subscribe.